Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of CS Flair's Fresh Noodle Fridays. Today it's a bit cooler, so I'm going to be warming up with a nice bowl of ramen. We're going to be making a nice vegetable ramen with a soy milk base. It's super easy to make. It doesn't take hours on the stove, so you'll want to give this a try. Let's get started. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any videos that are coming out. We'll see you guys next week. Bye!